Welcome to Mrs. Science's short science shows. Metric conversions. How to convert between metric units. 6 easy steps. Step 1. Memorize the order of metric prefixes. Step 2. Identify your given metric unit. Step 3. Identify the metric unit being asked. Step 4. Determine the direction to go from the given metric unit to the asked metric unit. Step 5. Count the spaces between your given metric unit to the asked metric unit. Step 6. Move your decimal the same number of spaces and in the same direction, adding in zeros. Step 1. Memorize the order of metric prefixes. Remember the mnemonic. King Henry died by drinking chocolate milk. The first letter of each word in that phrase matches the first letter of each metric prefix. The K in king stands for kilo, the H in Henry stands for hecto, the D in died stands for deca, the B in by stands for basic unit, the D in drinking stands for deci, the C in chocolate stands for centi, the M in milk stands for milli. Step 2. Identify your given metric unit. For example, in the problem, convert 892 kilometers into centimeters. Your given metric unit is 892 kilometers because the problem gives you the number quantity and the unit. Step 3. Identify the metric unit being asked. For example, in the same problem, convert 892 kilometers into centimeters. The metric unit being asked is centimeters because you're being asked for the number quantity in centimeters. Step 4. Determine the direction to go from your given metric unit to your asked metric unit. Looking at the order of metric prefixes, your given metric unit is kilo. Your asked metric unit is centi. So looking at the order of the metric prefixes, kilo is the first metric prefix, and you're going to the right to get to your asked metric prefix, centi. So the direction is to the right. Step 5. Count the spaces between the given unit to the asked unit. Again, looking at your order of metric prefixes, your given unit is kilo in the same problem. Convert 892 kilometers into centimeters. We're going to count the spaces between kilo to centi, your asked unit. So kilo to hecto is 1 space, hecto to deca is a 2nd space, deca to basic is a 3rd space, basic to deci is a 4th space, deci to centi is 5 total spaces between your given unit kilo to your asked unit centi. So from the given to the asked units, it's 5 spaces to the right. Step 6, you're going to move your decimal the same number of spaces and in the same direction, adding in zeros. For the same problem, convert 892 kilometers into centimeters. From your given unit to your asked unit is 5 spaces to the right. Your decimal is going to then move 5 spaces to the right. 892 kilometers, the decimal is 892 decimal. So we move the decimal 1 space, 2 space, 3 space, 4 space, 5 spaces to the right, adding in zeros for each space so that your answer is 89,200,000 centimeters. So for the problem, convert 892 kilometers into centimeters. Your final answer is 89,200,000 centimeters. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe,